Hi guys, welcome into the third episode of Kenzie's Closet. In the previous two that we have uploaded, I didn't really explain to you what Kenzie's Closet was. So it's going to be a series on our channel where I'm going to kind of give you fashion advice on how to wear certain pieces, styling tips, different things like that. Anything to do with fashion will be under Kenzie's Closet. I also wanted to mention my Instagram account, which is _hertime_. Plug. So go follow me if you want to. You don't have to, it's okay. And I also do a blog, which is hertime.net, just to kind of give you a breakdown. Also, our name on here is different. If you notice, it's called Perfect Knot. So there's going to be more to come on that, but basically it's a combined channel with Peter and I, and so there will be a lot of different content. So stay tuned for that. Styling a blazer can be kind of challenging and also just not fun. I used to think of them as so businessy, and I hate wearing business clothes. I don't know if you feel like that. I feel like that. So I kind of wanted to give you guys some ideas on how to wear a blazer and make it a little more trendy and fun to wear. So I have a few different options, and the first one that you're going to see is I'm wearing a tie-dye shirt, the one I'm wearing right now. And I just picked this one up from Forever 21, and it was like $12, I think. And it's a really, really cute print. I love the pink and turquoise colors. But I would size up a size. I got this in a medium. That way I could kind of knot the front. So in this first look, that's what I did, is I knotted the tie-dye shirt, and I'm wearing jeans with a flare kind of bottom, and they're the ripped edges, and they're a 3/4 kind of like cropped pant, and so it added a little fun detail. And then I wore sneakers to make it like more casual and added the pink blazer on top. And then I also styled it with some heels, that way you could dress it up, dress it down. You could choose however you'd like it. But the pink blazer is probably one of my favorites, just because sometimes I know people are afraid of some color, but pink, and this pop of pink just makes you really stand out. At work earlier, I actually wore this outfit to work today, and one of my coworkers was like, anytime someone wears a pink blazer, it's like their power suit. And so it's totally how I feel about wearing this pink blazer. It just like makes you feel in command, you know? So I recommend going out and getting a pink blazer if you don't have one. The second outfit is going to be black everything. So I have on my black denim, and those are from Urban Outfitters. I really love the fit of these, and I wore them with a lace black cami, and it kind of has some detailing at the top, and just did a front tuck with that, and then paired it with my nude heels, and so that was good to keep it really basic. And then I actually styled this with all three blazers that I own and love, so the pink one, just to kind of add a little girly touch. And then I styled it with an all black blazer, because everybody needs a black blazer. And I'm sure that's something everyone has, so it's easy to style. So the all black look is so chic and easy to do, and so that's always a fun one. And then I paired it lastly with a tan kind of, I'd say it's like less traditional of a blazer style, and so if you're not really into a full blazer look, you can kind of get these like flowy, I don't even know how to describe the kind of blazers they are, but I've seen them a lot on Beachy. They even have some new ones this season, so I once really was tempted to get a new one, because I wear this with like everything. It's so comfortable and lightweight, and it goes with all my pieces. Alright, so my third outfit is going to be a striped dress. And so I kind of picked this one because I also figured that a lot of people would own a kind of striped flowy t-shirt dress. So it's something that you might already have in your closet, and that way you can go ahead and style it. I kind of started off showing how this one is a little unflattering. So if you have a dress like that kind of fits boxy or just doesn't really like go around your figure, belt it. And so I got that belt from Urban Outfitters, and I love the buckle detail and the all black and silver look, and as soon as you belt up that dress, it adds a nice shape to it and makes it 10 times cuter. And then go ahead and throw on that black blazer again and some tennis shoes, and you're ready for the day. I love that outfit. It's probably one of my favorites that I styled for this video, and I look forward to wearing that one. But you can also, again, like all these outfits, you can just wear tennis shoes, wear flats, wear heels, and any type of shoe is gonna look cute with it, and it just kind of depends on the style of how you want to dress it up for that day. The last thing that I styled is a blue romper, and I wore heels with this to start because I love wearing heels with rompers. It makes your legs look so long, which is good for us short people. I don't know, I'm 5'4", so like I'm on the mid-range of short. But anyway, wear heels with rompers if you want your legs to look bomb. And so then I threw on that tan blazer again that I was talking about earlier, and it kind of just made it look so cute, like a perfect morning out for brunch or like hanging out with your friends, go shopping. And then again, also paired with tennis shoes just to kind of show you how you can dress them up, dress them down. And I don't know guys, I keep saying, like I said earlier, the outfit was my favorite, but I love all of these outfits. And just because, like I said, people are kind of afraid of wearing blazers, but they can be so cute and so fun and just pull an outfit together. So that's basically what I wanted to let you guys know about in this video. I hope you took some styling tips away from it and you go out and get a pink blazer, or if you don't want to do that, you can just wear what you got. Obviously, most people are going to have the black one, so style that up and have fun with it. Don't be afraid of blazers, don't be afraid of color, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching and for what? I forget again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys liked my video, then go ahead and subscribe to the PK crew and hit the notification bell so you can be up to date. I'm going to be posting every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Central Time, so be on the lookout for that. And go ahead and leave a comment below on your favorite outfit from today's video. I'm curious to see which one of the blazers you guys liked the best. And until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!